Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install PeaZip on Windows. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Now click the search bar and type PeaZip official download, then press enter. From the search results, open the official PeaZip website. On the download page, look for the Windows section. If you are using Windows 11, choose the 64-bit version. Now click the Win64 installable package to start downloading PeaZip. Wait a few moments while the download completes. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded installer from Chrome's download section or open your downloads folder and double-click the PeaZip setup file. The PeaZip setup window will now appear. Click Next to continue. Read the license agreement, then accept the agreement and click Next. For a normal installation, keep the default or standard installation option selected. Click Next again and continue with the installation. Windows may ask for permission to make changes to your computer. If you see this message, click Yes. Now wait while the installer copies the necessary files to your computer. When the installation is complete, click Finish. PeaZip is now successfully installed on your Windows computer. To open PeaZip, click the Windows Start button and type PeaZip. Then click the PeaZip app from the search results. You can now use PeaZip to open, extract, and create archive files such as zip and 7z, and that's how you can easily install PeaZip on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Windows tutorials.